Good afternoon, council members. My name's Dakota Whitley. I'm a firefighter. Um, so what we're going to talk about today is fire prevention, keeping our community safe, and kind of what we can do to educate, enforce everything, and come together as a community to build a better system. As a firefighter, I want to give you a clear picture of how we work to prevent fires, not just to fight them. Our approach is built on three main tools: education, enforcement, and engineering. Um, Talk about education. Education means teaching the public and businesses how to stay safe. Things that keep that like keeping the exits clear, testing smoke alarms, using fire extinguishers correctly. Um, Especially with the youth, making sure we're going in there and we're training our youth how to use fire extinguishers because we never know what could happen. Enforcement is about making sure people follow fire safety codes. We inspect buildings and follow up on violations. It's real important making sure that our community is safe. Engineering includes designing buildings to resist fire using sprinklers, fire rated walls, and safe building materials. We want to make sure that all buildings are up to code and they're engineered with all the protocols. Um, Next one we're going to talk about is how do we enforce fire codes. In our area, we follow the IRC, which is your International Fire Code. With some local updates, our fire inspectors they review plans before new buildings go up. They inspect businesses regularly, respond to complaints or safety concerns. If we find a problem, the building owner gets a chance to fix it. We're not going to go in there and police it, but we're going to give them a chance to fix it and make sure to get it done right. If not, we can issue fines or in serious cases, which we don't want to do, but we can shut the place down until it's safe. Uh, Applying code to buildings. New buildings, they must pass a plan review and inspection before they open. Older buildings, they're inspected on schedule. If they are remodeled, they need to meet the same safety protocols and codes. Who set the standards for fire safety materials? What we've got Underwriters Laboratories, which are ULs, also ASTM International Tests and rate building materials for fire resistant. We rely on their data to make sure materials meet safety standards. Uh, we use fire tests. We use national test standards to check on how long walls, doors, and windows can resist fire. Usually rated in hours like 1 to 2 hour firewalls. Um, why do these fire ratings matter? When we inspect a building, we check that the fire rated doors, walls, and fire stopping materials are still doing their job. We want to make sure they're still up to code and make sure they're still maintaining and doing their job in case something were to happen. If they are damaged or missing, we require repairs to keep people safe. What makes a building unsafe? Unsafe buildings often because of old and dangerous wiring, missing smoke alarms or sprinklers, broken fire rated doors and walls, blocked exits. And some of these people may not even know about, but as we're doing our inspections, it is our duty to the community to bring it up and make sure they're getting replaced and fixed. These problems are serious because they give a fire a chance to spread or trap people inside. Biggest risk in our area, the biggest risk we face comes from older wood frame buildings, especially older homes and apartments. Fire spreads quickly through these because the materials burn easy and many lack fire barriers or sprinklers. Our How does our plan review help? When we review plans before construction or renovation, we can catch problems early before the building is even built. Making sure that the structure is fire safe from the start prevents future risk and costly fixes later. Hope this helps. We want to continue to spread this word through the community and hold our community to a high standard. And that's all I have for today. Thanks for your time.